Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be making a delicious breakfast dish called 2 eggs to toast. This simple but satisfying meal is perfect for those who want a quick and easy breakfast before diving into the day. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 1. 2 large eggs. 2 slices of bread. 3 teaspoons mayonnaise. 4 salt and pepper optional. 5 butter or oil for cooking. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. Toast the bread. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2. Separate the yolk and white eggs. Separate the yolk and white of the egg and beat the white with a mixer until it becomes white and stiff. Step 3. Prepare toast. Pour a spoonful of mayonnaise on the bread. Place the slices of bread on a baking sheet or under a broiler until they are crispy and golden brown. Step 4. Cook the eggs. Pour the white on the bread and put the yolk on it. Place the coated toast on a hot, greased pan or griddle. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Serve the 2 eggs to toast with your favorite dipping sauce, such as sour cream, ham, or cheese. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Enjoy this quick and easy breakfast to start your day off right.